Hello, children. Let's read Sam and the Dogs. Sam the Sloth meets a dog. The dog is small. Sam pats the small dog. Sam meets a tall dog. Hello, tall dog, says Sam. The tall dog wags its tail. Sam meets a short dog. The dog jumps up. Sam laughs. Sam meets a big dog. The big dog licks Sam's face. Sam giggles. Sam meets an angry dog. The dog growls. Rrr. Sam stays calm. Sam meets a sad dog. The dog cries. Sam gives a kind hug. Sam meets a happy dog. The dog smiles. Sam smiles too. Sam meets a dirty dog. The dog has brown spots. Let's wash you, says Sam. Now the dog is clean. Good job, says Sam. The dog barks happily. Sam loves his dog friends. The dogs love Sam too. Big or small, sad or glad, Sam is kind to every dog. Sam likes to tell you stories and play games with you. If you like it, like and subscribe so that Sam can teach you English and play many more games with you. Goodbye.